Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, who will take the chair for the fourth term after winning the assembly elections with BJP as a part of the National Democratic Alliance, on Thursday said that voters have given the alliance the mandate and it will form the government. Kumar added that he has made no claim to the chief ministership. On being asked who will be the chief minister, Kumar said that I have made no claim, the decision will be taken by the NDA. Quashing the reports that he may be sworn in next week, Nitish Kumar said that it is not decided yet when the oath-taking ceremony will take place, whether after Diwali or Chhath Puja. We are analysing the results of this election. The members of all four parties will meet tomorrow. A close aide earlier in the day said that Kumar may take oath as Bihar Chief Minister for the fourth successive term next week, but the date has not been finalised yet. The central government on November 9 issued notice to Twitter for showing Leh as a part of Jammu and Kashmir instead of Union Territory of Ladakh. According to news agency ANI, the notice issued by the Ministry of Electronics and Information and Technology has directed the microblogging site to explain in 5 days why legal action should not be taken against it for disrespecting India's territorial integrity. The notice has been sent to Twitter's global vice president by the director of India's National Cyber Coordination Center, according to a report in the Economic Times. Twitter had earlier shown Leh as a part of China, after which Secretary of the Ministry had written to its CEO, Jack Dorsey, raising an objection. In response, Twitter had rectified the error, but it has not yet corrected the map to show Leh as a part of the Union Territory of Ladakh. Raising the issue of postal ballots, Rashtriya Janata Dal leader Tejaswi Yadav on Thursday said that Bharatiya Janata Party took over Bihar through Chor Darwaza, that is, back door. Yadav on Thursday was elected the leader of the Grand Alliance Legislature Party and promptly hit out at the NDA, claiming that it won the assembly elections through decide. Addressing a press conference, Yadav mocked Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, whose JDU has been relegated to a third position in terms of the seat tally, and wondered whether the latter would heed his conscience and give up his attachment to the chair. Yadav was referring to Kumar resigning and snapping ties with the Grand Alliance before returning to the NDA fold in 2017 after his name had cropped up in a money laundering case. Kumar had then said that he was stepping down after heeding his conscience, that is, Atma Ki Awaaz. Attorney General KK Venugopal on Thursday granted consent for initiation of contempt proceedings against stand-up comic and artist Kunal Kamra for his tweets allegedly criticizing the Supreme Court. The tweets which I am extracting below are not only in bad taste but clearly cross the line between humour and contempt of court, Venugopal said in his letter to one of the applicants who had sought consent of the top law officer for initiation of contempt proceedings against Kamra. He further said, quote-unquote, I therefore grant consent to proceed by way of initiating contempt proceedings against Kunal Kamra, he said in the letter. In one of the letters seeking Attorney General's consent for initiation of contempt proceedings against Kamra, 3 lawyers have claimed that he allegedly attempted to lower the authority of the Supreme Court of India through his tweets after the Apex Court had granted interim bail to Republic TV Editor-in-Chief Arnab Goswami. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday evening unveiled a statue of Swami Vivekanand in the Jawaharlal Nehru University campus in New Delhi. The inauguration took place via video conferencing. The statue will develop a vision of divinity, Prime Minister Modi said after the inauguration. He further said that it is a matter of immense pride that Swami Vivekanand statue is being unveiled in JNU.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.